What is up? Good morning. We are back in Texas. Jackson, say hi. Good morning.
Hi, good morning.
I am on my way to take him to school, and I am in a different car. I'm in one of my dad's cars because mine, the AC compressor car things, I don't know, needs to be fixed. Cost me some coin, but it is what it is. So I gotta get Jackson to school, then I'm going to the gym, and I have a test that I have to turn in tomorrow.
No, Mommy. Mommy,
What?
there's a skull crawler gym.
Oh, I can't go to the gym because there's a skull crawler that's going to eat me. But yeah, I gotta do that, and then I have to study. So I will check back in with y'all in just a little bit. Okay, I know I said I was going to the gym, but I'm actually going into Target to get Jackson like Valentines candy because I don't have any like candy for him. I just have like a little gift and stuff that I got for him. Oh my god, guys, my eyes look, oh, I just look so crazy. I'm sorry. Yes, that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna do that, and it's not like hot or anything outside, so shouldn't melt in the car. So I gotta do that, and then I'm gonna go to the gym. I don't know if I should, but I want to. I have barely taken any steps in Washington. Like, I literally sat around probably at least half the days, like maybe 1,500 steps per day, which is nothing compared to my 10,000 or plus steps that I normally get. So yeah, I need to get those steps up. Man, I'm feeling hungry. I also like didn't eat very good, or I wasn't eating like my normal stuff, all my like healthy meals, because traveling. And I ate like oatmeal this morning, and I'm already freaking hungry. Like, I'm starving. And I ate a big breakfast. So I don't know, I might grab a snack and then go to the gym. I'm like procrastinating the gym. I need to just like go to the gym. Also, my car. Like I was trying to say earlier, that the compressor for the AC, something is out, and my car is only 3 years old. I got it brand new with like 14 miles on it. You would think that the AC would be fine, and it's like over $2,000 to fix it. So I'm like, so am I gonna have to spend over $2,000 every 3 years? Like, is this like a thing? Because if so, I don't want it. Like, that's almost $7,000 when, like, by the time I'm done with the car. So I don't know. It's a Honda Civic hatchback. It's like the third out of the 5 models that they make, and yeah, it's a really great car, but I don't know that I love this feature. If this is a feature, I don't know, or if it just broke, I don't know. I just, whatever. My thing is, like, I'm just not working until March, which is next month, so it's just a really big expense to just come out of nowhere. So, anywho, let's see what I can find. Y'all see my dad's car? This is like one of his work cars. I'm sorry, y'all. We have a bunch of like toys and vehicles and stuff, but yeah, this is one we got going on today. So yeah, I'm gonna go find that candy. Hey guys, so if you know me, if you watch my Instagram, then you know that I've had a problem with my dog, with like him pulling on the leash like really bad. He's a bad puller, but started working with him with this lead, and it goes around his muzzle, like the back of it, and then also around his neck, and then you hook the leash on right below his muzzle. He can still open his mouth and bark and breathe and all that, and it's padded so it's not hard. Sorry, I'm chewing gum. But we've been doing that for a few weeks, maybe 3-4 weeks, and so much better. Oh, he's so much better. He's not even pulling. He only does like sometimes, but he's doing so much better. So highly recommend. It was like $15 on Amazon. It's so pretty. Wow, such a nice day. Oh, sorry guys. Yeah, got Jackson walking my dogs. Hope you all can see that because I can't see. Oh my god. In school. Yeah. Yeah. No, my life. It's not together today. It's cold and I'm studying for my exam, which I'm gonna take today. Yeah, sorry, it is loud. Yeah, so Seek Discomfort, North Face, Alpha Elite. We're a mess. That's how it goes. The last time that I checked in with y'all, God, what was I doing this morning? I don't know, but I was going to my car for something. I've literally been at home for hours. Like, I haven't even left my house, been on my butt all day, took my genetics test. I passed. For only studying for like a day and a half, I made it 82.4. All my other grades are 100, so I'm not really tripping. It'll all even out. It's freezing cold right now. It's gonna get crazy in Texas. I gotta go get Jackson and food, so I passed. It's cold. This normally covers my mouth. Oh, but oh my god. So yeah, the winter apocalypse is coming, and my son is at his dad's house, so I don't have a Valentine. So my Valentine's content will definitely be delayed. Sorry, I am so cold. But it is allowing me, so let's find the positive, it is allowing me to do more homework. I literally have done nothing. That's why I kind of look like a bum. Hold on. Yeah, this is just, that's what it is. So I get to focus on physics, which is great because I've been focusing a lot more on genetics and I'm behind in physics, but now I'm catching up in physics and I feel smart. Like my brain is like fulfilled. We're becoming satisfied with my knowledge that I am holding at full capacity. Okay, my hand's about to freeze off, but check back in a second. Okay, y'all, we have survived. I know, hold on, buddy. The winter apocalypse. My dogs are in here in my dad's garage. Hello, you are licking very loud. About to take them out in the snow. Try to get a few clips. Staying warm. Got the hunter wellies. Oh, we just try to make sure it's above freezing and like up to 55-ish in here. It's about the best we can do. are nearing the end of the day of the snow apocalypse. And Jackson is home. So excited. Ooh. I am like really needing my lashes done. I'm running out of like all my main foods. I'm gonna have to start, if I can't talk, I have to like start eating, I don't know, like canned chicken. Whatever. I'll just eat oatmeal every day. It really doesn't bother me for a couple days. Yeah, it was really cold in the shade. I need a shower, but I'm like so scared they're gonna turn the water off, like the electricity off, and then there's like no hot water. Ooh, that wind is cold. Okay, it's like 22 degrees. There's a high of 36 tomorrow, so really hoping that it warms everything up. I am back in the garage. That's where I'm keeping my dogs because they're outside dogs and it's cold. I'm trying to light this and I can't get it to light. It's 35.8 degrees, so that's good. It's not freezing. We try to keep it above freezing for them because they do pretty good. They're dogs and they're kind of acclimated to being outside a little bit. Yeah, so I tried to give an update on our position this morning, and like this morning when the electricity went out, like I had just made oatmeal and then the electricity went out, and I made coffee too, but I let my coffee go cold and then I heated it up later when the electricity came on. But this morning I ate my breakfast in the dark. And my mom has this lamp, it's like 100 years old, and then we lit it, so we had like, so it's like a fire lamp. I don't really know what it's called, but if I find it, I'll post a picture of it right here. It's been very interesting. So I also washed my hair today. I've been scared to shower because I don't want like the electricity to go out, so I finally was like, okay, I'm gonna shower. So I washed my hair and it's all like natural and crazy. It's still kind of wet, cold. And yeah, so anytime you want to make coffee, you have to do it like right when the electricity goes back on, or else you're kind of just screwed because it's going off like every 2 to 3 hours, and it goes off for about anywhere from 45 minutes to 2.5 hours. So, just kind of sucks because when Jackson's like, so watch TV, and I'm like, we can't. Let's do a puzzle. But he's pretty good about it. We just play games and stuff. I really cannot wait for this to be over tonight. There's supposed to be freezing rain, and I'm just not excited. And I have barely moved, literally maybe 500 steps a day. I need to do schoolwork. School's been canceled, but I need to do some homework. But it's like every time you can get focused, the internet cuts off. Luckily, they even canceled online classes because some people, they drive to school and use their internet, and we don't even have that option right now because it's so unsafe here in Texas. So if you are out of the loop, it did snow anywhere from like 3 to maybe less than 3, like 2 to 12 inches of snow. Like some people did get 12 inches. And it's just not made for Texas. Like Texas doesn't have the infrastructure. We don't have like all the tools, like vehicles that do the spreading of like sand and whatever it is that they do to the roads to help it to where we can drive on them. People don't just have chains to like chain up and drive. This is just so abnormal for us. But yeah, I gotta get my dad. I'm gonna go walk my dogs and warm it up in here. Anyways, friends, a more positive video is coming very soon. These are kind of stressful times for everybody down here in the south who is not built to handle the snow. Yeah, because it hasn't snowed like this ever in my whole life. It snowed here, but nothing like this ever, and I'm 28, so. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe to my channel, comment below any questions that you might have, and I will see y'all in the next one.